Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here's another one of my baskets that I was able to get done. This is a body care basket. Has all the bells and whistles for body care, including lip gloss, perfume. We have soap petals in there as well as our backer here. Socks, our bear. This basket has turned out beautifully. Scrunchie for the hair. And I've used the Brazilian mist set in the back there. And I used a heart with candy in it. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. I topped this with a rose bow to go with the container that it is in. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing.